Hello, Nguyen. Hello, Nguyen.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
T-shirt.
How are you?
Happy
Very good. What's the weather today, Nguyen?
Sunday is the
Great. Okay, now look at your book. What can you see there?
ngày mưa. Hả? Mưa mà it's raining. Đây rồi.
Look at your book. What can you see there?
I see t-shirt.
Very good. Now look and tell me, where is the t-shirt?
Mm, yeah.
Very good. So what are you going to say? The t-shirt
T-shirt is
is it in, on, under, behind, or next to?
let's go.
Okay, now let's look. The t-shirt
T-shirt.
is on the desk.
The t-shirt is on
Okay, we say on because it
on
is on the surface. Now
on
look
the
at this one. Look, look. Where is
Shorts.
where is the pair of shorts?
mm, here.
Which one? Can
Here.
you circle? Circle it.
I see pink.
Wow, that's right. Okay. Now look and say, where is the short? The shorts is, where is it?
What is hiding the
You say, it's on the
is
floor.
on the floor?
Very good. Okay, now look at this one. Look,
Dress.
where is the dress?
Pink. Here.
Very good. Okay, now what will you say? The dress is,
The rest is
where is the dress? Is it on the floor? Is it under the bed? Is it on the bed? Is it on the rug next to the man or next to the desk? Very good. So what will you say? The dress
the dress is
on the bed.
on the bed.
Very good. Okay, now look at this.
Socks.
Where is the pair of socks?
Here, green and
Very good.
yellow
Nice. Okay, now what are you going to say? It's on the
is on the
rug.
rug.
Okay. Now what about here? Look at
Trousers.
this. Where is the pair of trousers?
Here.
Wow, great. So what are you going to say? The trousers, it is still on the bed. All right, give me a high five, Ian. High five. Great.
Here.
You have one. Oh no. You have one great job for that. Now look at the room. Is it clean now?
Yeah.
Great job. Now look at your room. Is your room clean or not?
No.
Why not? Who cleans your room, Nguyen? Do you help
This is
mommy in cleaning the room? Yes,
no.
sir. Oh, wow. You should help mommy in cleaning the room next time. Okay. Now this time, let's help Anne's. Oh, let's help Anne to look for something inside her bedroom. There is one example. Okay. Look, it's Anne's bedroom. Where's her watch? It's on the desk. Okay, Anne said, "Oh, Nguyen, where are my things? I am Anne, and you will help me to find my things. Okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Great. Now, Nguyen, where is my cap?
Mm,
Where is my cap?
mm,
Try again, Nguyen. Try again, Nguyen. Where is my cap?
the cap here.
The cap is under the bed. Okay, now look. Nguyen, where is my dress?
Dress? I don't know.
That's all right. Now look at the picture. Where is the dress? Circle it. Circle the dress.
I don't see.
Okay, now look carefully. Where is it? Very good. Okay, now say the dress is on the mat.
The dress is on the mat.
Very good. Now look, Nguyen. Where is my handbag?
Mm,
Where is my handbag?
here.
Wow. Okay, is it between the window and the desk?
Mm,
Yes or no?
no.
Very good. Now, what are you going to say? The handbag is
Between, between
the door and
the door and The
The
desk.
desk. Very good. Now
Oh,
look. Yes, Nguyen?
where are you?
What? I'm right here.
I just.
Oh, I'm sorry. My camera is off. Can you see me now?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, now let's continue. Look, look. Where is the t-shirt?
Mm, like this.
Very good. What are you going to say? It's on the...
Is on the bed.
Very good. Okay, Nguyen, I'm looking for my trousers. Where are they?
Mm, here.
What will you say? There. What will you say, Nguyen?
Mm,
There. Next to the...
then to the
handbag. You say handbag.
handbag.
Very good.
Handbag.
Now, last one, Nguyen. Last one. Where is my pair of shoes?
Here.
Very good. Where are they? They are... Where are they, Nguyen? What will you say? Are they on the desk? In the desk? Under the desk? Beside the desk? Or in front of the desk? Where are they?
Mm,
There?
where
Okay, now look and say, can you please
mm,
read this? They're under the desk.
where after the desk.
Very good. Okay, now last one. I want you to answer it. And let's see if you know learned something. Look, where is my what? Where is my what?
Mm,
Where is it, Nguyen?
here.
Okay, so what will you say? Is it under, on, in, next to, or in front of the desk?
With you
It is
is
on the desk.
on the desk.
That's all right. Okay, now look at this one. You listen and draw lines. There is one example. Oh, it's not. I cannot. Oh, there's no listening part to it. Wait me a minute, Nguyen. Because there's no listening part to it.
Meron.
Okay, so let's move on.
Meron.
We have here, okay, story and listening part. So here, Nguyen,
Oh,
I want you to listen and repeat. Are you ready to listen? Here it is, Nguyen.
Thương mịch của nó thế này à? Không phải. Sao tắt đi? Ý con bảo.
Oh, now there's no listening part. Okay, so in here, let's look and read. I will be the girl and you are the boy. Look, look, look. Here's Lucy.
Where?
Over there.
Us.
You say, what's she wearing?
What's she wearing?
She's wearing her new t-shirt and her favorite jeans.
This and she is
Holding a bag.
holding a bag.
Now I see her. Yes, I like her bag. And her t-shirt. And her jeans. Oh no! Look at them. What are they wearing? Are they wearing the same clothes? Yes or no?
Mm,
Yes or no? Look at Lucy and the girl. Look, look. Are they wearing the same clothes, Nguyen? Yes or no?
yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, what color is their t-shirt?
Is
They're green.
green.
Very good. Look at their t-shirt. What can you see on their t-shirt?
Blue.
Their t-shirt. What can you see on their t-shirt? We can see a... Look, what's this?
Mm, is what?
We say, we can see a star.
You can see a star.
Very good. Do you like a star, Nguyen?
No, I like robot.
Very good. How many robots have you got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, that's a lot of robots, Nguyen. That's really
11.
nice. Wow, that's still a lot. Okay, now
One-
this time,
100.
what?
100.
Wow.
1,000.
Very good. What's next to 1,000? We have 1,001. Okay, now look at Sam. What is Sam wearing in this picture? Look, look. What is she wearing?
He wearing a
He
cap.
is wearing
A cap.
very good. What else?
And a sock.
All right. Now this time, you're going to listen and color. Okay, now listen carefully. Number one. Hi, my name is Sam. I'm wearing a green
Where?
t-shirt. Hi, my name is Sam. I'm wearing a green shirt. Now, this is an example. You listen and color. Okay? Now, number
Oh.
two. I'm wearing a black watch. My mom gave it to me on my last birthday.
Mm.
Let's color it. Number two. I'm wearing a black watch. My mom gave it to me on my last birthday. What was that?
Yeah. Wow.
All right. Okay, now look, listen and color. Number two, I'm wearing a black watch. My mom gave it to me on my last birthday. Now, what color is Sam's watch? It is.
Let me see.
What coloring mo yan? Okay, last one. Listen carefully. Number two, Sam is wearing a black watch. His mom gave it to him on his last birthday. What color is Sam's watch, Nguyen?
Mm.
It
Black.
is. Very good. Now let's color this one black. Okay. Number three, listen carefully. Sam is also wearing a pair of yellow socks. What color are his socks? What
Mm.
color, Nguyen?
Is
Listen carefully. Number three, Sam is also wearing a yellow pair of socks. What color?
yellow.
Very good. Now color the socks yellow. You can do it, Nguyen.
Mm.
Yellow. You can do it.
Yellow.
Okay. Okay, now let's color it yellow. Look, look, it's right here. Yeah. Wow. Here is yellow. Okay. Now, what about this one? Okay, look, look. Listen to number 4. I've got a school bag too because I'm going to school. It is color blue. My school bag is color blue. What color? What color is Sam's school bag?
Mm.
It is what color is it, Nguyen? Okay, listen carefully. Sam's holding a blue school bag. Can you see it? Color
Yeah.
his bag
No,
blue.
no, 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 no.
Very good. Okay, now look, color it blue. You can do it, Nguyen.
No.
Look, look, it's right here. Wow, there you go. Very good, Nguyen. Give me a high five. Yay, you have one big star for that. Okay, now last one. Sam has got a brown short hair. Color his hair brown.
Wow. Wow.
Very good. Okay, now color his hair brown.
Wow. Mm.
Color his hair brown.
Wow.
Color his hair brown.
Wow.
Do you have a brown color?
No.
Oh, it's all right. Let me help you. What color do you have? What color do
Red
you have? Okay, now color his hair red.
and like red.
Wow, nice. Okay, now let's color Sam's hair with your favorite color, which is red.
Oh.
You can do it. Okay, now let's color it red. Very good. Wow. All right. So for that, you have another one small star. So today you've got one small star, one big star, and one great job. Thank you for joining our class, Nguyen, and see you on Monday. Bye bye.